If you have never seen it before, the easiest way to think about AppExchange is this. It's basically an app store but for Salesforce. Just like you download app to your phone in Salesforce, you can install apps from AppExchange. These apps are built to work directly inside Salesforce, and the reason AppExchange exists is actually very simple. And not every problem needs a custom solution. Sometimes the solution already exists and it's being tested by thousands of other companies. On AppExchange, you can explore apps, try them, and install them. These apps can exist Salesforce functionality, and they can add new features, automate process, or improve the user experiences. You will find solutions for many common business, for example, CRM, marketing automation, service and support, analytics, and reporting and integration with other systems. This is especially important for app builder because being an app builder is not just about customizing Salesforce, right? And it's also about choosing the right solution. Sometimes the smartest decision is not building something new, but using what already exists on AppExchange. So whenever you hear AppExchange, don't think of it as something extra. Think of it as a part of the Salesforce ecosystem, and it's there to help to work smarter, not harder. Now let's look at the type of solutions you will find on the AppExchange, because AppExchange is not just one type of app. There are different kind of solutions depending on what you need. First, there are apps. There are full solutions that you can install to add specific functionality to Salesforce. And they usually solve a clear business problem, and then you will see both solutions that they are industry specific templates, and they help companies get started faster by providing pre-built structures. And you will also find flow solutions. They're pre-built automation pieces instead of creating flows from scratch. You can reuse existing building blocks. And there is also lighting data. These solutions help enrich your Salesforce data and connect it with real-time information. And also finally, there are components. These are smaller pieces that help you customize page in Lightning experience. They don't require coding, and it fits very well with app builder work. And what's important here is not memorizing all these categories. What matters is understanding that AppExchange offers different level of solutions, from full app to small components, depending on what you need. And as an app builder, your mindset should always be like, can I solve this declaratively? If not, is there an AppExchange solution that already does this? Only after that do we think about building something custom. So AppExchange is not something separate from App Builder. It's actually support the way you build solutions in Salesforce. You don't always have to build, and sometimes the best solution is already there. You just need to know where to look.